Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix guide access not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, as you all know, Apple has officially released the iOS 18 beta, but many of you are complaining about after updating to it you are facing an issue of guide access, that your guide access are not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix guide access not working issue on your iPhone after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first step is to make sure that guide access is enabled on your iPhone. You have to go to the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and then go to accessibility. Scroll down again, tap on guide access, and you have to make sure that guide access is enabled on your iPhone. After this, then you have to do is make sure that accessibility shortcut is also enabled on the guide access settings. After this, then you have to do is simply go to the accessibility shortcut and you have to make sure that guide access is selected. After this, when you're still facing the issue, then you do simply check your restrictions. Sometimes restrictions set on the device can affect guide access. Ensure there are no restrictions preventing the use of guide access. You have to go back and then go to the go to screen time. Scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now tap on allowed apps and features and check if guide access or any relevant feature are restricted. So guys, for trying all of these steps and still facing the issue and still your guide access is not working properly, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply go back and then go to the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix guide access not working issue on your iPhone after iOS 18 beta update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.